College the list of selected candidates for the 2-year B.Ed course kabade po Nerie UMIAM Northeast Regional Institute of Education Shillong. Candidate kibla selected katkom ki state kibla allot nam tajangki hapo Arunachal Pradesh Sansit atlim ta ki science atlim ta ki language and social science kawen ta ST. Name of the candidate are Kinei Keteng, Nanding Tatung, Yalen Muang, Kime Swampa, Bisun Boje, and ST category is Binpom Bagra. This is for Arunachal Pradesh, 5 seats. And then for Assam, there are 15 seats for Assam. Tonmoy, Dhriti, Rushmita, Sanas, Vaishali, Priyanka Chauhan, then OBC, Kunal Roy, Naba Malika, Sarujani, Shilpa Rai, Parishmita, Hira Moni, and then SC category, Parthana, Priya, and Deva Pratim Vaishya. And then for Manipur seat, there are 5 seats for Manipur. General category, Khaidam Ibomcha, Salam Gyanendro, Hegrujam, Laiprak Pam, and SC category, Wahangbam Senatoy Chanu. And then for Meghalaya Rodon San seat, there are 5 seats from Meghalaya. The name of the candidate are Badayahun Riang, Merciful Thongni, Dabi Alabasar Shooting, Neokor Serti. And then ST category, Bakia Rani. The Rodon San seat, there is 5 seats for the Meghalaya general category and ST category. Then for Mizoram also there are 5 seats. Rotna Chakma, Sanghe CH, Kushi Chakma, B. Victor Chakma, and Julia Chakma. For Nagaland, 5 seats. Meren Shilu, Penglang S, Depali Raj, Zamhing Be, and Alice R. Marak, ST category. And in Sikkim, there are 5 seats for Sikkim also. Phip Raj Limbo, Tensing Yangzom, and 3 Zabunam Gurung, Dia Mangar, and 5 Lavita Das. And then for Tripura, 5 seats for Tripura, Devraj Acharya, Saurabh Ghosh, Pratya Singha, Anu Prasad, Anamika Vaishya. Economical weaker section EWS. For economical weaker section, Himangshi Deka, Akbar Hussein Mia, Madhur Smita Basu, Jagri Priya Darshini Barwa, Dip Jyoti Sarma. There are 5 seats for EWS. Okay, so these are the selected candidate for the 2-year B.Ed course at Nerie UMIAM. So this candidate, the counseling admission schedule for 2-year B.Ed course at Nerie NCRT UMIAM Shillong. First counseling will be on 18 September 2023. Kandekat Pratrek. For candidate in select list, time slot 9:30 AM to 12 noon. For candidate of Northeast region other than Assam, 12 PM onward for candidate of Assam. Okay, and B, those candidate for the second counseling 22 September 2023 Friday. For candidate in waiting list in case seats are left vacant in the first counseling. Time slot 9:30 AM onwards. State for candidate of all Northeast state. So the list of the waiting list also, there is a list. So it will be on the 22nd September 2023. I will show you after this the list of the waiting list candidate. So these are the waiting list candidate for the B.Ed 2 years B.Ed course at Nerie UMIAM. So there will be many names, Arunachal also. So kindly check here. I will not read all the names, so you just scroll down this and you can get this result from the official website nerie.nic.in. I will put the link in the description below. Kindly check your name if you are in the waiting list or in the selected list. This is for Arunachal. These are the waiting list candidate for Arunachal.